grab those clothespins and some scrap fabric you have laying around the house, because today on Craft to Care, we're going to make these super cute and very quick clothespin dolls. Welcome to Craft to Care. I'm Diane, and for a while now my daughter and I have been trying to make some cute clothespin dolls to put in Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes. We were not having any luck. We've tried different designs, different styles. Finally we stumbled upon this one, which just uses a simple piece of scrap fabric, a little bit of embroidery, floss or yarn, and some paint. So we just love the way these turned out. We think they're super cute and we hope you have fun making them. So let's get started. You'll need some wooden clothespins. You can get them at any craft store or order them online as a craft supply. Also need some pieces of scrap fabric in the patterns of your choice for the dresses, some embroidery floss for the hair, and also some pieces to tie the skirt on. Or you can also use some yarn. You'll need something round to trace around for the skirt and a pen. You'll also need some paintbrushes and some paint for the eyes and mouth, a scissor, and then some paint if you would like to have a clothespin doll with some darker skin, and you'll need a glue gun. So what we're going to do first is make the hair for our doll. So we're going to wrap the embroidery floss around her hand and then just a few times tie it in the center. Once you get your hair knotted in the center, then you're going to cut the ends and then even those out a little bit so that they're all about the same length. Next, we're going to glue that onto our clothespin. So we're going to glue the top, the knotted part on first. Put a dab of hot glue on there. Stick that on and get it right in the place that you want it. And then from there, we're going to work on pressing down the rest of the hair. So be very careful that you don't burn yourself. I have a tendency to do that once in a while. So I'm going to put some glue on the back of the head and then bring the hair around, pat that on there, and then do the same thing on the sides until it fills it in nicely, and just play around with it to get it that it looks the way you want it to. Trim off those ends. Next, we're going to take our piece of scrap fabric, our bowl, and we're going to trace that circle around there. Once you have your circle traced on your fabric, then you're just going to cut that out. This is going to form our clothespin doll's dress. So we'll cut around that circle, and then we're going to fold it in half again, and in half one more time, so that we can find the direct center of our circle. And we're going to cut just the very tip of that end off, cutting the hole out so we can fit our doll body through our dress. So now we're going to take our doll, we're going to slip her through the dress. So put that right up to the neck part of the clothespin. And then we're going to kind of get it aligned the way we want it, and then come back with our glue gun, put it right below the neck area. Then we're going to just flip her over and press down at the shoulder area. Next, we'll take a piece of our matching embroidery floss. This is going to form the belt at her waist. So we're going to put the fabric down along the side and then wrap the embroidery floss about twice around the waist and put a nice little knot in there. While we're doing that, we are going to align it so that the fabric kind of forms like an arm shape and that it fluffs out at the bottom. So you can just kind of mess with that until you get the dress shape that you like. And then she's almost complete. Now we just need to put her face on. So we're going to take some black paint and some pink paint and a very fine tipped brush, because we're going to want to make those eyes and mouth really small. Just put 2 black dots for the eyes. Take a little bit of pink paint and form a sweet little mouth. And then your clothespin doll is all complete. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have fun making these dolls. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below and let me know if there's some other craft ideas that you would like to see here on Craft to Care. And until next time, have fun crafting to care.